Hello. So next is symbolic constants. Symbolic constant. So constants means the values that does not change in a program is called a constant. സാധാരണ നമുക്ക് 10, 15 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 20.0 അതെല്ലാം എന്താണ് കോൺസ്റ്റൻസ് ആണ്. ഇത് കൂടാതെ we can make our own constants. We can define our own constants using these three methods. One is to use a hash define. Hash define, we can give a string sequence. I have given as pi. Hash define pi 3.14. This means that whenever I use pi in the programs, the value taken will be 3.14 and the value of pi cannot be changed in this program. So hash define is one method for defining a symbolic constant. The next method is to define it as a constant. So use the keyword const, const, const int size equal to 10 means we are defining a constant integer variable of size 10. Means the value of the constant is 10, size is equal to 10. The value of the variable size is 10. So whenever I use the variable size, the value will be 10. Whenever I use the string size, the value will be 10. The value of this size cannot be changed. In the program, the value of the size cannot be changed. The value remains as 10 throughout the execution of the program for the string combination size. The other method is to use the enumeration type. So enum in this flower brackets we have to give 3 or 4 values x1, y1, z1, etc. So this means that if the value is not given, by default the value of this will be 0, 1 and 2 in the order that we have given. So x1 will be 0, y1 will be 1 and z1 will be 2. We can specify the value also using enum. So enum x equal to 4, y equal to 3, z equal to 2 means we are assigning constant values to x, y and z as given in the brackets. So x equal to 4 means the value of x will remain constant throughout the program as 4. Y equal to 3 means value of y equal to 3 and the value of z remains 2 throughout the program. So these are three methods to create symbolic constants. One is to use hash define, other is to use keyword const, other is to use to define the variables as enumeration type. Enum x1, y1, z1 means we are defining three variables x1, y1 and z1 as not variables, assigning constants as 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so this is symbolic constants. So here I have given to just print the values pi, size, just to print the values. Let us see what happens. Okay, so g++ 16.cpp, okay, ./a.out. So value of pi is printed first 3.14, then size is printed 10, then 0, 1, 2 is values of x1, y1 and z1 and x, y, z are 4, 3 and 2 and the values cannot be changed inside the program. So these act as symbolic constants. So next is a reference variable. Reference variable is an alias, that is another name for an already existing variable. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു വേരിയബിൾ വേറൊരു പേരിൽ അറിയപ്പെടുന്നതാണ് റെഫറൻസ് വേരിയബിൾ എന്നുള്ളത്. അത് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കാനുള്ളത്, ഇറ്റ് ഷുഡ് ബി ഡിഫൈൻഡ് അറ്റ് ദി വൈൽ ഡിക്ലറേഷൻ ഇറ്റ്സെൽഫ്. ഇടയ്ക്ക് നമുക്കൊന്നും മാറ്റാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അതായത് വൈൽ ഡിക്ലെയറിംഗ് ദ വേരിയബിൾ വി ഷുഡ് റെഫർ ഇറ്റ് ആസ് എ റെഫറൻസ്. ഇവിടെ നോക്കിയാൽ മനസ്സിലാവും, ഇൻറ്റ് ഇയർ. സോ year is a normal variable, year is a normal variable. Then I am defining a reference variable named varsham. So int space ampersand space varsham equal to year. So this connection, this relation should be given during the declaration itself. Int ampersand int space ampersand space varsham equal to year. So this means that in RAM the same location is referred as either year or varsham. Likewise, I am defining as float interest, and I am creating an alias or reference variable as float space ampersand space palisha equal to interest. So this means that the location named interest is also called as palisha. Okay, so the same variable has, the same location has two names, palisha and interest. Here the same variable has two names, year and varsham. So as an example, I have given year is equal to 2021, then cout varsham. It means that since both the variables share the same location, the value 2021 will be printed. Okay, then I have given the next variable name value as palisha equal to 20.0, and I am printing it using the other name interest. So palisha equal to 20.0, cout interest means since both locations are sharing the same, since both names are sharing the same location, the value 20.0 will be printed. Okay. Let us see C++ 17.cpp ./a.out. Okay, so 2021 and 20 is printed. So both the names varsham and year denotes the same variable, same location. അതുപോലെ both the names palisha and interest is of another set of same location. Okay, so the important point is that we have to specify the relation as reference during declaration itself. During declaration itself we have to give the relationship. Later we cannot define variables and we cannot connect it. We have to state the relationship during the declaration time itself. Okay.